A captivating journey into the biological curiosities of evolutionary dead ends is undertaken. It is
Prepare to have your understanding of natural selection turned upside down. We're diving deep into the true evolutionary dead ends. Ever felt like you're stuck in the past while the world moves on? Imagine that, but for an entire species. This view of evolution as a straight line, a march of progress, is a profound misunderstanding.
Examining true living fossils and what makes them unique. Ancient body plans. Slow adaptation. Some species flourished for a time, then disappeared, leaving no direct descendants. The megatherium